Today, I'm going to show you how to create videos like these completely free using AI. But before we begin, take a look at this video.
Computers have evolved from simple counting tools into powerful machines that fit inside our pockets. Let's explore thousands of years of innovation in under 10 minutes. Our story
I made it
begins
in
with
less
the
than 5 minutes. And the best part, you don't need animation skills, drawing skills, or expensive software. So let's get straight into it. First, open the master prompt from the description below. Inside it, you will find prompt 1. Copy it and paste it into ChatGPT. As soon as you hit enter, ChatGPT will generate 20 unique whiteboard animation video ideas for you. If none of them fit what you are looking for, simply ask for more ideas or enter your own topic. Once you have selected an idea, go back and copy prompt 2. Paste it into ChatGPT. Now take your chosen idea and place it inside the topic section of the prompt. Hit enter. ChatGPT will now generate complete whiteboard animation scene prompts along with a matching voiceover script structure. Once everything is ready, copy video prompt 1 and head over to Google Flow. Select video, then click ingredients and choose your preferred video model, duration and output settings. Paste the prompt and click generate. Within a few seconds, your first whiteboard animation scene will be ready. Now repeat the exact same process for the remaining scenes prompts until your full video is generated. One thing you will notice is that sometimes the hand may not stay consistent between scenes. If that happens, simply tell ChatGPT that the hand must remain consistent across all the scenes, and it will update the prompts accordingly. For this example, I generated 4 different scenes. Now once the visuals are finished, it's time for the voiceover. Go back to ChatGPT. You will find the complete narration script already generated for you. Copy the script and paste it into Studio AI, which is a free text-to-speech tool. Generate the audio and download it. Next, open your preferred video editor. Import all your generated clips along with the voiceover. Place the voiceover onto the timeline first, then arrange your video scenes in the correct order. Adjust the speed of individual clips and trim any unnecessary sections so every visual matches the narration naturally. If you want to hide any watermark, you can simply place your own logo as an overlay. Once everything looks good, click export. And that's it. Your AI generated whiteboard animation video is now ready to upload. The entire process only takes a few minutes and requires zero animation experience. If you want the master prompt, comment Zorentum, I will send it to you. If this tutorial helped you, leave a like, subscribe for more AI content, and I will see you in the next video.